sldier, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to enable auto brightness on an iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. The brightness level on your iPhone screen is important for both managing your battery life and making the screen a little easier to view in different lighting conditions. But if you're tired of manually adjusting your brightness level whenever you go from a dark room to a bright room, then you may want to use something called auto brightness. You can enable this feature by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and choose the accessibility option from this menu, and then you can select display and text size in the vision section at the top of the screen. Now you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this menu and find the auto brightness button. So you just now need to tap the button to the right of that, which is going to enable that setting. And depending on your current lighting conditions, you might see that the iPhone screen updates automatically with the addition of the auto brightness feature.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit sldier.com.